and hello everyone. Welcome back to English with Ravi. Today we'll talk about get. How can you use a get? There are various types of condition to use get at every places at every moment, right? So now we'll learn today. It's a very nice trick. But before starting, if you're new on this channel, kindly subscribe, like and share. So obviously we should start. Now see this here. First of all, the condition is showing that get plus noun, right? You'll use get plus noun. So now this is if you'll use a noun, what will the condition there? First, receive. Second, buy. Third, fetch. And fourth, find. So obviously that we can go through the example. Is the person has given this some figures there, right? So to make better understanding, right? So now you don't have something. Now see the example. You don't have something. Obviously that you haven't something, but you are trying to get. This is using the get, right? If you haven't anything, obviously that you try to get that because it's a necessary thing. Another way is you got it, right? You don't have something. After that, obviously you'll get it, and just you got it. Okay. Another condition you can also say, if you got it, you can say you have it. Okay. So now it's saying that you got it. It's a receiving. What is that? It's a receive. It's a receive. Okay. So now see this. There are many conditions up there. It's I have given the only there's a basic thing. But see this, as per the example, we can understand, right? So, did you get my letter? I'm saying to Mohan, right? See this, I'm here, and another my friend is there, right? But I'm saying that, did you get my letter? Did you get my letter? I have sent you letter that you got. So now he's saying that, yes, I got yesterday. Yes, I got it yesterday. So what is it showing that? Get is receive. In the condition of receive, we are using get. Instead of get, we can also use the receive. Did you receive my letter? But to make good impact, we using the get, right? And actually, it's also the yes, I get it yesterday. Okay. So now, did you just find it? You are using in form the receive in the form of receive. Okay. So now this is another example. It's difficult to get a job at the moment. See there, you are going to find a job, and now you are not getting that. Are you saying it's very difficult to get a job at the moment, right? So now this get you're using in the condition of find. You're using I'm just going to get that. You see me that I'm going to get it. I will not get at a time because it's difficult. That's why I'm finding. What's it? That's why I'm finding a job at the moment. That's why I'm saying it's difficult to get a job at the moment. Okay. So now I show the find. So now we will learn that how can we use the find condition that is a get. Okay. To make impact, to make good sentences. Now using the get. Otherwise, you can also see this. It's difficult to find a job at the moment, right? Okay. Now another. I like a shirt. This is a person I, and I'm saying to my friend Mohan here. Okay, right? I like a shirt. I like a shirt because you have just got it. I like a shirt, but I'm putting the question: where did you get it? Where did you get it? Just I think that you got it from somewhere or the other. Just you have brought somewhere from other. Otherwise, you can say that I just bought. Okay. So now in condition of buy, we are using the get. From where did you get it? Obviously that just that person, my friend, has bought from somewhere or the other. That's why in the condition of buy, we are using the get. So now it's showing that in the condition of buy, you are using that, right? Another same. I'm saying hello to my friend Mohan, right? Hello. Can I speak to Mohan? Please. Right? Hello. Can I speak to Mohan? Please. Okay. So now this is saying another way. One moment. I'll get him. Just Mohan is saying, one moment. Just wait. I'll get him. I'll get a fetch. Just to suppose that you want to, you want to find something in the Google. Then now it's a fetch. Then it's brought from other. It means that there's at a time there's nothing there, right? Just whatever you're finding that. But just after some moment, it's a fetch and you got the result, right? That's why they're saying that one moment. Please wait. I'll get him. I'll get him and he will get in touch with you and then you can talk to him, right? So now using that in condition, see there. Okay. So now they will use another way is get plus adjective. So now just go. Get plus adjective. Now this get plus adjectives means that's a become. In the condition of become, you will use get plus adjective, right? So now there's a get hungry, get cold, get tired. Mostly you use, right? So now we should also have knowledge. How can we understand that? And in the which condition we can use in the sense of become when you use the get plus adjective, right? So now the first see this is another. I'm giving example. See here, if you are not hungry, suppose you are not hungry, obviously that after some time you will be hungry. Okay, so now if you are not hungry, you get hungry, right? You are hungry. So now it's, please leave that. Now come here. If you are not hungry, and now obviously that you are after some time you will be hungry. So now you say that you are hungry. But to make impact on sentences, obviously that you use the get. So you get hungry. It means showing that you become hungry, right? You became hungry, just like you get hungry. So instead of become, you can say that in sense of that is get. So get will uses very nicely. Okay, so you get hungry. Okay, now the next, see this example through. If you don't eat, suppose if you don't eat, you don't eat, you get hungry. It's showing that if you don't eat, obviously after some time, after some moment, you get hungry, right? As per the next earlier above, there is given the example there. Now you can understand that you get hungry, right? If you don't eat, you get hungry. So now using the being in condition of being, get, you be hungry, something like you become hungry. So now instead of become, you can use get. Okay, now another example. I'm saying drink your coffee. Coffee is there. Drink your coffee. It's getting cold. To whom? My friend, Mr. Mohan. So please drink your coffee. It's getting cold. It's getting and becoming. So in the sense of becoming, using the getting. So please forget. Don't just think something like that. If I use becoming, then if I use getting, just it will be better that you use the getting, because it's showing that becoming. So it's getting cold. Okay, now next. I am sorry, your mother is ill. I am sorry, your mother is ill. Who is saying that? I'm saying. To whom? Mr. Mohan. This is condition is showing that how his mother is ill, right? I'm sorry, your mother is ill. I hope she gets better soon. She hope. What is that? She hope. I hope she gets better soon. So I'm saying that I hope she gets better soon. Earlier I have shown my expression. I'm sorry, your mother is ill. I hope she gets better soon. Gets means become. She becomes better soon. Very soon she will become well. Okay. So now in condition this getting is using become. Okay. Now another way. We got very wet, because wet something. This we become this. We just go in rainy season or become wet. There's a like condition. We got very wet because we didn't have an umbrella. Obviously that. Just we got wet when I hadn't an umbrella. If I have an umbrella, obviously that I'll become wet when I'll go in rainy season. Outside, I'll go outside and there is raining. Obviously, I got wet. So we got wet. So now using the V2. What is this? V2. I is becoming. What is the in sense of become? Okay. So now see, we got very wet because we didn't have an umbrella. Okay. Now another. See, this is a combined example I've given here. There is a Mohan and Radha are getting married soon. Getting married soon. So it's also showing the condition of become. Mohan and Radha are getting married. They are going to get married, right? So now they are getting married soon. Now another. I got up and got dressed quickly. I got up. Earlier I was sleeping. Just I woke up. I got up, right? Just see, I was just sleeping, and after some time I woke up. I just got up, right? I got up myself. Something. Okay. So I got up. This is also V2 using. So I got up and got dressed quickly. Got dressed. Something. I got dressed quickly. Just I put in dress and I just done this activity. So okay. So I got up and got dressed quickly. In sense of that, he is using that. Another is three is here. 3 persons going on the way. We went for a walk and got lost. We went for a walk. Just we went somewhere the other to walk, to move, some right. So we are doing some action. We went for a walk and got lost. Just we got lost. Just we didn't find the way where we have to go, right? And just we have forgotten. So now it's showing that got is V2 and this is in sense of become. So now I hope that you understood very nicely then how we using get plus adjective just in the sense of become. Now you have used very well. Okay. So now this is another example I'm just giving you. How can you understand another third things? Use the get in the condition of get to a place, arrive, right? So now this is I'm here and I just get a place here, right? I'm just living to this place and reaching at this place and I'm arriving this place, right? So in the condition of that, we'll use all the sentences, right? So now see, if you are here and you are reaching at the places you left here, Obviously, that when you live there, obviously you go another places. So now you are arriving at there. But see this, I left Patna at 5 o'clock. I left Patna at 5 o'clock. Just I have left Patna, right? At what a time? 5 o'clock. And got to Delhi. Just we got to Delhi, we just reached over there. We just reached at Delhi, right? Just we arrived there, Delhi. So what is the time? At 11:30. So in the condition that we are using the got, just we arrived there, you using what the got. So I got to Delhi. When I left Patna at 5 o'clock and got to Delhi at 11:30, right? Second is how did you get here? I'm saying that how did you get here? Just if you got here, you just came here, right? You arrived here. So how did you get here? Now using here just like in the sense of arrive. So how did you get here? Just by bus. We are arising the question by bus. So obviously that's another person. So I mean that you will just answer that. Obviously just I reached here by bus. Okay, but using the get in the condition of arrive, right? This how did you get here? Get this how did you arrive here, right? By bus. So it's nice when we use the get in the sentences in the condition of arrive. Okay, get in, get out, get on, get off. It's very important, and obviously we use always everywhere. See this, get in a car. Whenever we just go inside the car, we use get in, right? Get out, just like of a car. Whenever we come out from car, just use get out of a car. Now get on a bus. Just when we reach, just whenever just get in that, just use get on. What is it? Get on. When you go inside the bus, you use get on. A bus, a train, a plane. We'll use this for this one, right? So get on a bus, get on a train, get on a plane, right? Now this is another one is get off. When you just opposite, when you got on and after got on, just you just got out, right? What is it? Get out, get off. So got out. So get off is using that. So we are offing. Just we are leaving that. So get off a bus, a train, a plane, right? So in the sentences you will better, you learn better. So Manish got in the car. Manish got in the. Just I got in the car. Just I go inside the car and drove away. Just drove away. Just I have started the car and just running away. Just the car has running away. Just I am driving the car. Okay. So in the condition, Manish got in the car and drove away. Now next, a car stopped. See when you using here got in the condition what? Just coming inside this. It's a different this condition. That was another condition. This one is another condition, right? So now it's a different condition from that. So now a car stopped. A car stopped and a man got out. A car stopped and a man got out from the car. Okay, where got out of the car. Now this third, I got on the bus. I got on the bus. What? Outside the school. Just I got on the bus outside the school. When I was there outside of the school, I got on the bus, right? And got off in the church street. And after some time, just I got off, just I got down from the bus, I got off in the church street. So now using this condition is very impeccable, it's very nice. Always use this one. So get in, get out, get on, get off. Okay, so I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, please share in your groups and share everywhere with your friends, with your colleagues, with your family groups. Okay, obviously that you can share if you like this. So I hope that you like, and I will come with others parts. Thank you.